Hello Dolly friends and welcome to my channel. Yesterday at Walmart I got the new LOL Tweens Neon Pop Stars, and her name is Thea Stars, and there's the other side with their little set, and at the back of it there's the other one you can get, Kitty K. So I'm in between, but right where I want to be, full of surprises and unique style. Look out world, cause here I come. And this comes with a black light, so she's gonna have some stuff that is gonna turn to neon. So let's take a look at her, and then we'll look at her accessories. So she is just too adorable. But when I saw her, this is giving me Taylor Swift vibe, for sure, is what they were going for from her Eras tour. And so we start with her hair, which is it's a little, needs to be a little workout. Got some pink. So I think it's gonna turn it to a neon color when you, in the dark, or when you put the light on it. But it's this darker brown, or a blonde, I mean, like, and it's kind of a crimp, beach wavy, like Taylor, how she wore it on her concert. Got her blue eyes, and love the little deep, kind of a deep purple, not black, lip. She's got some, like, her bangs are kind of teal eyeshadow, and she's got some little teal under this eye with a little pink heart. She's got like a pink, I think it's a heart around this eye. And then look at her. Gonna have to, I cannot get this little jacket. It is a snap, but I've tried. I don't want to pull. I just, for the moment, I'm gonna leave it on her. I can still show you what's her outfit underneath it. So at some point I'll figure out how to, it looks like I'm gonna just tear something. And then kind of pulling on, I gotta figure out what. But anyway, so she got this little white, or kind of iridescent sequined little jacket. This is, I know she wore a jacket in her concert. Very similar to this. I don't know if it's exactly, but very similar to it. It got little fake stud, like little stud buttons, and car's got this fringe, like a pink fringe, and then she does know Taylor. I think this is almost very similar to the, and you kind of pull it. That is a little short bodysuit that she wore. It's kind of almost got some pink and sparkly, almost kind of an iridescent sort of. But I got pink and kind of a blue, very similar to what she wore in the concert. And then she got the most, I'm pretty sure that these, not exactly big, I don't know that she had anything, but not a big fan of this little plastic thingy to wrap around their leg that kind of gets, but I like the boots, kind of a very kind of see-through pink, or a pinky coral kind of color. Well, this is pink. This is more of a coral looking coral color. Then that at the back, you can see the back of all the velcros. But anyway, she is just adorable. Adorable. The hair is nice. She's got plenty of hair. Just, it has got some product in it to kind of keep these little beats wave. But I notice the bangs are very much gelled down, but it's okay. Keep it kind of down, or they're gonna kind of, sometimes they'll kind of go everywhere. But that's at the bottom, she's just so adorable. I saw her and haven't gotten, well, yeah, I don't know when the last time I bought a tween, was it a couple of years ago or a year or so ago? Yeah, I don't have a ton. I don't have any of the head swaps, or, if I see something on a holiday, good price, I'll probably get one of those. But there is one I want, and I'm probably gonna have to get it online. If it's not to one of the, that's like the, I think her name's Hannah. She's one of the, like the little, the brand with the little gummy bears. She's a little gummy bear themed. I should have got her when I saw her, but I didn't. Now, she's long gone. I'll have to see online if I can just order off Walmart. If she's not too expensive, they go up in price, so we'll see. If not, it's alright. I definitely had to have her. Not a whole lot of Taylor Swift dolls. You can get a Barbie and make her, but I just thought this outfit was very much what she wore, and so I just had to have her. She's just so cute. I love the hair color, her blue eyes with the pink. I love that it's kind of this crimpy, beats wavy. It's decent length. This would be a little, might have to cut a few little strands, but she is just adorable, just so cute. They're really cute. I have a few. Okay. And we'll get out our accessory. The other thing I thought was just so cute. We'll just start with we'll get this first out of this is her little composition book. Thea Stars. This or that. Party time, behind the scenes. or spicy. I think she's marked party time, and then quiet time, make a scene, or sweet. She's make a scene. So there just tells a little bit about her. And then there's the back. You know, just these little things you get with the LOL. And then this is really another reason why I had to have her. There we go. Get the edges. And she's got kind of a little hair, or kind of a see-through little pink guitar. That's really cute. Got really kind of detail for a little tiny guitar. I have a few Barbie guitars in 18-inch, but so. Inside, actually, sometimes these will. Sure, I got it fastened. See if I can get it. If I can get it on her correctly here. So she can play her little guitar. That is really cute. That's adorable. Okay. And now we got our little surprises. So let's just and if you they're kind of little stays and got the little set list down there. Cute. And just probably not going to say this boss. And then in the little first door here, so it looks like a what do you call it? Not like them, but the container where they keep, you know, stuff. And, I'm not using, you know, the yeah, just the case that, you know, that they keep. Gotta stop down. Oh, I'm coming out. There we go. So we got some little heart sunglasses. I know Taylor also had some glasses similar to these. I don't know that that guitar is gonna stay. Oh, that's really cute. Okay. They fit decently on her. Okay. That's cute. And then she's got anything else. No, okay. Then she got like a little red little comb. let's go through the whole second box here. Just like a little purse. I'm thinking it shows. I'm not sure. But what it looks like, maybe a little bag, I don't know. That's really cute. Okay. Here are her earrings. All her there's her earrings. Right, maybe you can see it better on this one. Those her earrings. Oh, that's what was in that box. And I'm thinking this goes. Around their little wrist here. Yeah, there you go. Cute. Okay, now let's get the last little box here. And here's the little light. I'm sure you. Yep. And let's see. I don't know if I'll do that in here. Oh, yeah. I think all that super. Her little bodysuit. Yep. Don't think anything on the shoes, but there's a little black light. And she got one more. And a little microphone. Let's just see if she holds it. I'll probably just put these things in a bag or something, because these, but they can. They usually hold it. Oh, and then show her nails are painted black. Oh, there you go. She got her little microphone. Really cute. Really cute. Was there any? Let's see here. Make sure I got everything out. This is probably, oh, this is just about the black light, replacing the battery showing that she got that yeah. Yeah. Show how to play the batteries. That. So, let's pop in here. I'm gonna set this all over here. Okay. So this is just my little unboxing of the LOL Tweens Neon Pop Stars. So this is Thea Stars. So anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.